Morning, everybody. We're back at the Holtz farm, and Gerald and Linda Holtz living estate auction. Anyway, this particular piece is a Massey Ferguson little tractor, a 205 Ford tractor. It is four-wheel drive. It is running, and hydraulics seem to be running okay. It does have some age on it. It could use some rubber, but still, if you need a backup tractor or you got a small place, you just need a little something, be pretty good for you. Nice front end loader, and we're gonna get it cranked up and so you can get an idea about